You'll see a funny picture here, so you can laugh at it. You know, a funny picture showing a big hands, thumbs up, and little bit bigger lips and big tongue and small body. So if I tell you, when you see with your eyes to any person or the proportionate of the body, you will see that head is little small, shoulders are little big in men, pelvis is little bigger in female, and body structure looks approximately a balanced state. But when I look at this particular picture, it looks disproportionate. Why disproportionate? Hands, oh, your wrist and fingers looks very huge compared to the head. It's very huge compared to feet, very huge compared to other part of the body. So this is a truth of the neurosciences, where this is a way how the brain sees our body. If I depict an image of the body, which will see based on the brain's perception of number of receptors and the perception back to the sensory stimulus to the brain, the body looks like this. So we call it this as homunculus. The information which are going towards the brain, we call it as sensory. The informations which are going from the brain, we call it as motor. So there is a motor homunculus and sensory homunculus. Check it out with your resources. Is it true or not? So if it is true, then it also means that by modulating the fingers in a particular direction or mudras, gestures, you can actually change the subtle bioelectrical energy or aura or prabhavalaya or the subtle prana shakti of your body in a certain way to regain the losing energy from your different vata exits, and you are regaining it back to the body and using it for the body. Ultimately, the process of yoga is for union of Jivatma and Paramatma. So for that, your body, mind, spirit should be in line, and the chakras should be in line, and you should be able to withdraw the energies which are going to the sensory perception. So all the five senses going to the outside world, you are bringing it back to the your inside world and inverting those energies, and maybe ultimately it is used for Kundalini activation. In that process, if you culminate and imagine all the processes together, that's where it is going to helpful. So it is a, for looking, it is a gross structure, but it is a subtle process which needs time and energy and dedication. So for that we want to choose less people.